So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and then type in Task Manager. Click on it. Now once you're on this, if you see anything that says Epic Games Launcher, you want to click on it and then click on End Task. Then you want to head over to the Details tab and then do the same thing. If you see Epic Games Launcher, you want to right click on it and then click on End Process Tree. Then in the bottom right of your desktop, you want to click on the arrow, and if you see Epic Games Launcher open, you want to right click on it and then click on Close. Now for the second step, you want to head over to search and type in %local app data %sign and click on it. Now once you're on this, you want to scroll down and then you want to delete the Epic Games Launcher. I'm not going to delete it because I don't have this problem, but you delete it. Now once you delete the Epic Games Launcher, you want to head over to search again and then type in add or remove programs. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you want to scroll down till you find the Epic Games Launcher. You want to click on the three dots and click on uninstall and then uninstall it. And then anything else that comes with Epic Games Launcher, such as the Epic Online services, you also want to uninstall that. Now you just want to reinstall Epic Games Launcher and then the problem should be fixed.